His name is John C.
When the streets are held hostage.
Bomb! Break the dog! Hit the siren!
Two of the city's finest.
Green?
What the fuck?
And fight as one.
Peace is real!
Can we get much higher?
So high.
What if we sew the dog's head onto the man's body? Great idea!
Dog Man!
Anyway, that's how I lost my medical license.
This super cop made friends, solves crimes, and even plays piano.
Yo, mama.
Enough about this dog man.
What the fuck?
How evil can one cat be?
Pretty evil. No time to waste. Cut it out. Stop it. Will you get out of here? Go and arrest Petey, and I don't care if it takes.
Yo, mama.
Buckle up.
What the fuck?
Dog man, you only have one job to do.
Yo, mama.
Somebody breaks out your favorite chew toy and waves it around. You doing your mom. And if somebody just happens to have
Yo, mama.
you look at the monitor.